Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the part second of our French connector series, in which we are going to discuss the contrast related connectors. I hope you have already watched our first part, in which we have discussed addition related connectors. And if you haven't watched that yet, I'll share the link in the description box. So let's get started with the first one. Mais, which means but. Example: J'aimerais aller au cinéma ce soir, mais je dois étudier pour mes examens. I would like to go to cinema this evening, but I have to study for my exams. J'aimerais aller au cinéma ce soir, mais je dois étudier pour mes examens. Right? One more example. Elle est fatiguée, mais elle refuse de se reposer. Reposer is to take rest. She is tired, but she refuses to take rest. Elle est fatiguée, mais elle refuse de se reposer. Let's move to next. Cependant, which means however. Example: Il a promis de venir nous rendre visite ce week-end, cependant, il n'est jamais apparu. He promised to come to visit us this weekend, however, he never showed up. Il a promis de venir nous rendre visite ce week-end, cependant, il n'est jamais apparu. He promised to visit us this weekend, however, he never showed up. Right? One more example. Nous avons suivi toutes les instructions, cependant, le problème persiste. We followed all the instructions, however, the problem persists. Nous avons suivi toutes les instructions, cependant, le problème persiste. Clear? Let's move to next connector, which is pourtant. Yet. Example: Il est malade, pourtant, il est venu travailler. Work. He is sick, yet he came to work. Il est malade, pourtant il est venu travailler. One more example for pourtant. Elle avait étudié pendant des heures. Pourtant, elle a échoué à l'examen. She studied for hours. However, elle a échoué l'examen. She failed the exam. Or yet failed the exam, right? Elle avait étudié pendant des heures, pourtant elle a échoué à l'examen. She studied for hours, yet she failed the exam. Let's move to next, which is néanmoins. Néanmoins, nevertheless. Example: Le projet a pris du retard. Néanmoins, nous sommes confiants dans sa réussite. The project is behind the schedule. Nevertheless, we are confident about its success. Le projet a pris du retard. Néanmoins, nous sommes confiants dans sa réussite. Correct? One more example. Il pleut. Néanmoins, nous irons quand même faire notre jogging. It's raining. Nevertheless, we will go to our jogging. Il pleut. Néanmoins, nous irons quand même faire notre jogging. Then, last one, en revanche, on the other hand, En revanche, on the other hand, exemple, ce livre est intéressant. En revanche, je trouve la fin décevante. This book is interesting. On the other hand, I found, or this is I find the ending disappointing. Ce livre est intéressant. En revanche, je trouve la fin décevante. This book is interesting. On the other hand, I find the ending disappointing. Right? Last example. Il est doué pour les sciences. En revanche, il a mal en littérature. Il est doué. He is doing well in the science. On the other hand, he is bad in literature. Right? Il est doué pour les sciences. En revanche, il a mal en littérature. I hope these connectors are clear. So let's repeat once more. Mais, but, cependant, however, pourtant, yet, néanmoins, nevertheless, en revanche, on the other hand. I hope you've understood all the connectors. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.